So arguably the most important thing about your Copilot is its tone of voice, or how it talks to the people that it's interacting with. And in this video, I want to show you step by step everything you need to know on how you can change the tone of your Copilot agent within Microsoft Copilot Studio. So there's actually one really quick caveat that I want to talk about here, and I've talked about it several times in other videos, but it is possible to build a Copilot agent within Microsoft Copilot Studio that doesn't use generative AI. And specifically, if you are building out your topics that follow a bunch of question nodes, you're not going to use any AI, and so you're not going to be able to use the AI properties that I'm talking about in this video to change the tone, because you're kind of hard coding what you want the Copilot agent to say in those scenarios. But if you're using generative answer nodes and topic inputs and all sorts of other things like searching knowledge sources, then this is going to be what you need. And what we are talking about today, if I flip open Microsoft Copilot Studio, what we're looking to do is update the general instructions here. And now this is my Coffee Copilot that I've used for several examples in this video. And right now, this is kind of just a basic instruction that's saying, hey, keep it professional, here's kind of what you do. But for the sake of an example, I want to make our Copilot talk like a pirate, just so that you can explicitly see the impact that updating these general instructions have on your Copilot's tone of voice. And I have not hung you out to dry here. We are actually going to utilize Microsoft Copilot to write instructions for our Copilot. And in the description down below, I have included kind of a sample prompt that you can copy and paste into your Copilot. Here I am on Microsoft Copilot on the web. And if you go down to the description, copy and paste what you have down there, there's a couple things that you are going to want to update. And so specifically for this, it's saying, what is the name of my Copilot? It is Coffee Copilot. As well, it's saying, what's the purpose of your Copilot? I'm going to cheat and just take this here, kind of my description that I've already used AI to write in the past. Paste that in there, and then here I'm outlining what I want the tone of my Copilot to be. And what this prompt is going to output is something I can copy and paste directly into those general instructions. And so, like I said, I want it to start talking like a pirate, so I could have it say, so here I've written out a tone, and it says, the tone of the Copilot agent is, I want you to talk as a traditional seafaring pirate. I want you to use language, jargon, and slang that a typical pirate would have used. If necessary, use metaphors and stories that would easily be understood by a pirate in the era. Use a playful and humorous tone, but always remain family friendly. I'm gonna go ahead and submit this, and you will see that this is going to spit out a large language model, example, or large language model friendly example of what we can do. I'm gonna go ahead and copy and paste that. And here underneath the details, if you go ahead and hit edit, it's going to allow this to be editable. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this and paste my new instructions in here, talking about being a seafaring pirate and being a coffee Copilot. Let me go ahead and save these updates. Okay, beautiful. We got our lovely green banner at the top. Let me go ahead and refresh our test pane here, and let me flip to the other side just so you can see my test pane here. I'm gonna go ahead and say, can you tell me how coffee is typically made? And this is something that I've already set up in the knowledge source, a question that it should be able to answer. Let's go ahead and see what sort of tone it spits back to us. Perfect. Here we go. It says, ahoy matey, let me take ye on a journey through the seas of coffee making, and proceeds to use kind of the pirate lingo. I hope that makes sense. If you feel like your Copilot is not working correctly and this is not doing enough, be sure to follow the first link down in the description down below to get in direct contact with me for one-on-one coaching. As well, check out this playlist here for, I don't even know how many tutorial videos are in this playlist now, but check it out there if you have any other questions. There are a bunch already on this channel. Thank you for sticking to the end of the video. My name is Griffin Lickfelt, the host of the Citizen Developer channel, and I'm excited to connect with you in the next one.